Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, July 22, 2026. Couple of things I think in the last few days we need to draw our attention to, and then also talk about at a high level what's going on with the capital markets. First of all, crude oil is at a 2-month high. So WTI is trading around $87 per barrel this morning. Brent is at around $94 this morning. Similarly, the 10-year Treasury note is also at a 2-month high, 4.64%. So that's been interest rates moving up, oil moving up. They're related because oil's going to feed into inflation, which feeds into interest rates. So these things, are headwinds to the economy and, the capital markets. And, things haven't been terrific. I mean, the S&P's, flattish to up a little bit for the month. The NASDAQ is down 5% from its all-time high, which was back in early June, first couple of trading days in June, and down a little bit for the month of July. So I do think that the markets are at a fragile, tenuous, condition right here. And again, a lot of expectations and hope and optimism around the AI trade, but it hasn't been, that much helping the stock market in the last, say, month, 7 weeks. Tonight we get Tesla and Google, and now ServiceNow, which is another software company. And I think there's a lot of expectations and hope that these companies put up some good numbers or give great guidance and like that. And they easily can. I expect them to beat guidance. I mean, it's kind of the game all the big companies play. But the devil might be in the details of the growth better could continue to accelerate both in revenues and earnings terms. So again, those type of detail in terms of the rate of change and how things are growing are important, not just really the numbers. And then also tomorrow is Intel after the close. So, some big things happening both, from an interest rate, oil perspective, as being a headwind to the markets, plus the earnings. I mean, these 3 or 4 companies I'm highlighting, but there's a lot more there too. So again, I just think that there's, again, I'll use the term fragile again, that the markets could take a leg lower if these things kind of don't thread the needle in the next couple of days. So hopefully that helps. Please let me know any questions. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll be back on Friday. Thank you again. Goodbye.